Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am here with another review. Now, if you're not really into seeing what's really in your ear, then you don't need to watch this, because I'm going to show you guys what's exactly in my ear, and I'm going to explain why people have actual so nasty, illy wax all up in their ear. Yes, I did receive it in the mail, you guys, and it is totally sealed. I have not even tempted to even try it at all. I wanted the blue one. I think it's cool. It comes in multiple colors. Check out their website right there. They have so many great items, and it's priced very affordable, you guys. This is the Bebird Note Pro 5. This is one of the newer ones, you guys. And if you don't know what it is an actual camera when you clean out your ear that they actually use in professional places where you go to get your ears checked, that now you have one at home to know exactly what's going on in your ears. And it actually has a camera on the tip of this wonderful device. And check it out and see what it's about. All right, I got my scissors in hand, and let's open her up. I know that Q-tips are really not good to use, you guys, especially with all that cotton they leave behind in your ear, and it actually pushes things further deeper in your ear. It's good for the outer, you know, but you gotta be very careful with that inner. This is really clean. How do I open this? Oh, okay, it's like a slip on top of it. Oh, okay, I figured it out. Ooh, that's pretty with the logo just embossed it on there. It's a little push button. They're definitely making it like the Apple. It's like the Apple store, like the iPhone, right? This is really high end right here, you guys. Get that royal blue. This is really cute. Pull this little yellow sticker. Oh, that reveals how to open it. Oh, that's the little tweezer. Has a rubber thing so it doesn't poke you. And you open this up, and I think they'll just spread apart. There it goes. I'm a chick that never looks at instructions. The thing is really easy. A little sticker they added on top of there. But I wanted to show you guys. I was just looking at this like, huh. And right here it says open. All you do is twist it, and voila. Look at all those great different things you could put in the ear to help clean it. And it just slides right back like this. This is a must-have. This is a great holiday gift, you know, for anybody. And all ages too. I mean, anybody older than 12, but this is pretty handy. I like right when I opened it like this and took this rubber off and put my finger on the tip, it lights up. Look at that. It automatic is charged, and it works, and it lights up. This is some high-tech stuff. You see that? There it goes. All right, in the pamphlet, it is so easy to understand, you guys. Look at the pictures. The information is so simple. They even give you like example of everything, the barcode. So I have to upload the app and get it started. It actually came with a charging cord and a little extra another kit to help clean it, to disinfect it. And this is brilliant. Whoever designed this is brilliant. I love this concept. I love this idea. And I love that the instructions is so easy. You can just look at the pictures. Brilliant. Let's go in these ears, you guys. Haven't cleaned them. Don't know what's going on in there. I feel like this one's more clogged up than this one, but let's check it out. So to charge the device, 60 minutes completely gives you a full charge. Once it's completely fully charged, it should work for 90 minutes without being charged. What a great device. Brilliant. It has a magnet top, so you can't lose it really. You have to really like pull it totally off. But you see, I barely pull it up and it just snaps right back in place. Very easy to use. As you've seen right there, like I didn't have that much earwax. I changed the tip and that didn't work well for me because I lost the tip in the ear, and that made me really learn how to use the device. So be careful. Don't use it hardcore like it's a, you know, cotton swab. But be careful with your tips that you put on there, you guys. You don't want a tip to fall in your ear like it fell in mine. The little tips don't fall off. And what I'm talking about is like these little rubber tips can just go on there like that. You see? That's what I'm talking about. These little like extra rubber tips. And you can pinch together and you can put both of them on there really like this. And that's what I'm talking about that fell off. But the camera is really precise. It's very clear, really good high-end quality for it to be that small. I'm actually shocked, and my ear feels a lot better inside. That is weird. That must have been some like wax there that's been there for a year. I've never cleaned my ear that deep like that in my life. And I hear better already. So that's what one quality I really love about this, that and I have to go to no doctor, no waiting room, no nothing. I cleared out my own time, my own place, my own peace, and I get good results. Healthy earwax looks something like that. Unhealthy earwax looks like that. Ew, makes me want to. So I do feel a nice relief in my ear from cleaning some good amount of wax deep in there. I mean, I had to like really maneuver it, really take it out, as you see. So that took some patience and some time to really get that piece out. This ear didn't have nothing. I just scraped the edges. It was very hairy, more hairy than what I expected. I was like, whoa. But everything looked really clean. So when you do have a high amount of earwax in your ear, it can be that you have a cold and you don't know it, that something in your body's not working right, because everything in your body kind of like tells you that something's off. So if you have a high amount of earwax, you should go get a physical or a little minor checkup just to see you don't have an actual ear infection, or if you have a lot of built-in mucus. And I'm not a doctor, not a nurse, not in that profession, but earwax can be caused for health issues. Get that figured out, or get one of these and you'll figure it out with this. Yeah, I did feel the heat, like it got a little warm, like on the tip, I guess, because it did take me a long time to get that tip out. And I did feel it in the ear as I was maneuvering, and I thought I had to go deeper in my ear, and a certain part of your ear that you never really go in. You got to be very careful because any little thing you touch is kind of sensitive. And I realized I was going in pretty deep using this, so I was being really careful. So be careful, you guys. This can go deep. All right, so go get you guys one of these little cute devices to see what is going on in your ear. I love it. Why not? Subscribe to my channel, you guys, because I have so many more items to review. Check out their Instagram and check out mine too. Let's be friends. All right, back to the moon and stars and back. Bye. Peace.